Did you know most products sold to restore hair actually contribute to more hair loss? Scientists have discovered hair loss is caused by toxins in the blood. These products increase the blood flow to hair follicles, which is the proper scientific way to restore hair growth. However, these products are pumping more toxins into the hair follicles, resulting in more hair loss. This video will introduce a product that first removes these toxins in the blood, and then pumps more blood into the hair follicles. The result is your ability to regrow a healthy head of hair regardless of your age. Over 85% of men and 40% of women experience hair loss at some point in their lives. Not only does hair loss make you look older than you are, but it also contributes to low self-esteem, lack of confidence, and relationship problems with the opposite sex. The hair loss industry is currently worth $8.4 billion in the US alone. Men and women spend boatloads of money on solutions such as shampoos and hair growth kits. Minoxidil and finasteride are popular topical sprays, but reports are they both stop working after a while. Other solutions are scalp massages, Indian hair growth practices, laser treatment, and even some weird African rituals. Hair transplant surgery can lead to serious side effects and is expensive, with prices ranging from $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the state. We are going to introduce you to a hair growth solution that involves no expensive treatments, no exotic oils, no dangerous drugs, and zero surgery. It's made from 12 carefully selected ingredients from certified and FDA-approved producers. It's manufactured in the U.S., in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under extremely sterile, strict, and precise conditions. It is non-GMO, does not contain any stimulants or toxins, and is diabetic-friendly. The product was tested at a dozen independent labs across 2 continents on 3,200 people, women and men, from 6 countries. So far, over 156,000 people worldwide have already applied this solution and restored their hair. This solution first eliminates the harmful toxins in your blood that cause hair loss. Then it unlocks explosive hair growth and helps you achieve a dense, sleek, strong head of hair. You will look years younger, your confidence will be restored, and any trepidations about your interactions with the opposite sex will disappear. For complete details on how this can help you restore your healthy head of hair, click the Learn More button. Here is a typical experience with the solution. I thought my life was over when I started noticing 2 big patches of baldness on my hairline. I was recently divorced, and I was losing hope I'd ever find someone again. I used to spend a lot of time alone at home, obsessively studying my bald spots in the mirror and counting the hairs on the pillow. Until my uncle recommended this product to me. I was skeptical at first, but shortly after I started using it I noticed new hairs sprouting up, all over my scalp. My hairline got darker, bald spots started to fill in, and now I have much more hair on my head than ever before. But to take advantage of this breakthrough product, you must act quickly. It is only available on the website you will be directed to in a minute. Supplies are not guaranteed because the unique ingredients are sourced from countries around the world and supply chain clogs happen more often than ever. Second, major manufacturers in the trillion-dollar hair loss industry view our solution as a major threat to their profitability. As a result, there is no assurance our website will be available indefinitely. Click the button, Learn More, to be taken to a page where you can access all the information about how this solution can give you back your healthy head of hair.